I know that pain, that heavy, sinking feeling in your chest. You're finally trying to stand tall. You're finally seeing a little bit of success, and then the voices come. Sometimes they are whispers from the outside, the friend who dismisses your success, the family member who finds a way to subtly put down your achievement. You can feel their hasad, their jealousy, like a shadow falling over your light. But listen closely. What they say, you'll never make it. That success is temporary. You're not good enough. This is not your reality. This is simply the echo of Shaitan's whispers, amplified through them. You see, the jealous heart, the ungrateful soul, whether it's an acquaintance or even a relative who has chased worldly things but found no peace. They project their own emptiness onto you. They want you to be as miserable as their distance from Allah has made them. They don't want you to succeed in finding joy and contentment in tawakkul, in your reliance on Allah. And here is the beautiful truth. Allah has already taken your hand. He has always been there, right beside you, even when you felt so consumed by their schemes and negativity that you were giving him a cold shoulder. You were so focused on the noise of the world that you forgot the silence of his presence. But he never left you. He doesn't abandon the one who fears him and turns back to him. Let them scheme, let them plot. Their plans are like spiderwebs against the might of the Almighty. The Quran reminds us in Surah Yusuf, revealing the deeper truth of all deception and plotting. Indeed, Allah does not guide the plot of the betrayers. And when they try to degrade you or diminish your blessings, remember their envy and their evil eye alone cannot pierce a shield built by Allah. Their power is nothing. Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, and it is not except a reminder to the worlds. So, what is your ultimate protection? Tawakkul, true, unshakable reliance on Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned us about the power of the evil eye, but he immediately gave us the solution. He said, the evil eye is real, and if anything were to overtake the divine decree, it would be the evil eye. What does that mean? It means, yes, it's powerful, but only Allah's decree is final. Your shield isn't in hiding your blessings, but in turning to Allah with them. So, what do you do when the envy and the whispers strike? First, seek refuge. Recite the 3 calls, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, and Anas. Make them your daily armor. Second, focus forward. Don't argue with them. Don't waste your energy trying to prove them wrong. Instead, prove Allah right by continuing your sincere work and relying completely on Him. Your success, sustained by Him, will be the only answer they need. And third, remember this: their unhappiness is a reflection of their own heart, not a measure of your worth. Their words say more about their spiritual state than they could ever say about your potential. Let the only voice you listen to be the whisper of Allah's promise that He is sufficient for you. Let His guidance be your compass and His protection be your fortress. If you're ready to replace that fear and self-doubt with true, unshakable hope in your Lord, then make sure to subscribe and join our community. Thank you for watching.